Hi there, happy Thursday. So today I wanted to show you tips and tricks for getting your toddler in and out of the sling. I get asked if I still wear Bryce, and the answer is yes. He is 4 years old and 30 pounds. We use single linens, the cotton linen blends, and the hemp blends for him. I can do hip carry or ruck carry comfortably still with him as well. So let me show you. Okay, ready? I pick him up and get him in just as I do with our infant. She's not so much of an infant anymore, but with our baby. And then I still make sure that I get a deep seat and get him in here and make sure that it's nice and snug inside of here. So you can see he still has his knees are above his bum, and he's nice and cuddly, and he still loves this sling carry. Right, bud? Yes. And then to get him out, instead of lifting him out, we just loosen this up. Make sure we get that out from underneath his bum, and he just sorry, and then just slide him out. And so that's very easy. So I hope that helps for those that want to be able to still sling their toddlers. Have a great day.